That's a real change for me. I enjoyed how practical the event was. All the worksheets and templates really helped me understand the value of having a marketing campaign.
It was a great event. Chloe was able to communicate everything clearly, and there were a lot of relevant topics, and she made it relevant to the audience. We learned about Facebook ads and video as well, and email marketing. So finding that low-hanging fruit where we could have clients who are ready to go straight away.
My biggest takeaway is having a plan and being consistent.
It's good to have a marketing campaign and a plan, not just do marketing here and there hoping to get results.
I'm actually going to apply all of the templates. So I'm going to start with the marketing plan and build my marketing funnel, and then the campaigns around that.
Our next live 4-hour Get It Done marketing workshop is coming up. If you'd like to find out more, go to the link vivaresults.com/workshop.